Have you ever wondered why bananas are considered a superfood? Well, they're not just delicious, but also packed with a multitude of health benefits. Firstly, bananas are incredibly nutrient-dense. A medium-sized banana is a powerhouse of essential nutrients, including vitamin C, riboflavin, folate, niacin, copper, potassium, and magnesium. It also contains a good amount of fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. But that's not all. Bananas can also help improve blood sugar levels. They are rich in soluble fiber and resistant starch, which can moderate blood sugar levels after meals and regulate appetite. For those without diabetes, eating a banana won't cause major blood sugar spikes. However, if you have diabetes, it's best to stick to one banana at a time to avoid a sudden spike in blood sugar levels. On top of that, bananas can also support digestive health. The dietary fiber in bananas helps improve digestion, while the resistant starch found in unripe bananas acts as a prebiotic, supporting beneficial gut bacteria. Pectin, another important component in bananas, may prevent constipation and soften stools. Some studies even suggest that pectin could protect against colon cancer. Bananas don't just boost immunity and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. They have a positive impact on every organ in our body, from head to toe. They nourish our muscles by providing the necessary energy for all physical activities. The potassium content plays a pivotal role in supporting heart health, ensuring a healthy and regular heartbeat. Meanwhile, in the stomach, bananas aid digestion, acting as a gentle but effective regulator. Moreover, they promote brain health, thanks to the generous amount of vitamin B6 they contain. However, when it comes to bananas, it is possible to have too much of a good thing. Consuming an excessive amount may lead to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by high potassium levels in the blood. Plus, despite their role in aiding digestion, eating too many bananas can ironically cause constipation. Another potential disadvantage is weight gain due to their high sugar content. So, while bananas are incredibly beneficial, moderation is key. Lastly, bananas are an excellent source of vitamin B6. One medium banana provides a quarter of the daily recommended intake of this essential vitamin. They're also rich in potassium, vitamin C, and manganese, making them a truly versatile and nutritious fruit. In summary, bananas are a powerhouse of nutrients that can help improve blood sugar levels, support digestive health, boost immunity, and provide essential vitamins and minerals. They're a versatile and delicious fruit that can be easily incorporated into any diet. So the next time you're looking for a healthful snack, reach for a banana. You'll be doing your body a favor. While bananas are incredibly beneficial, it's important to remember that moderation is key. Consuming too many bananas can lead to high levels of potassium, which can affect heart health. On the other hand, eating bananas in moderation can provide daily essential nutrients and promote overall health. So while it's great to incorporate bananas into your daily diet, remember not to go overboard. As with all things in life, balance is the key to reaping the most benefits from this fantastic fruit.